Yeah.
Big one.
Whoa, that's a huge one.
It has a ladder.
Oh my goodness.
And a cat in the box.
Oh, cool.
And Sam brought me the cat in the box.
Oh,
Did?
wow. That's just like the one in the movie Elf that they make up at the North Pole. Oh, Santa put them in a box. Wow.
And he got them for me, Dad.
Yeah.
This cool Christmas hour.
What else is there?
You know, the stuff on that side of the tree is for Christopher, I think.
That's right, yeah.
Christopher, you want to see what you got?
This one is for Christmas.
That's right.
It is. It looks like it is. Oh, cool, Christopher. Look. It's a car carrier.
Yeah,
Michael's going to have to show you how to use that one, okay?
it's working.
Yeah. And I think, Michael, that other one over there is for Christopher. You see the train?
And
What else do you have, Michael? Oh, who's that?
Woody.
Woody!
And a fire.
Look at that fire truck.
And
All right, let's check it out. Say bye-bye.